What's up, guys? KidMar95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, guys, we have a technical analysis on Substratum here, but we're going to be looking at the BTC value this time, not the USD value. Currently up about 0.5% for the day, slightly below 7,000 satoshis. But really quick though, guys, before we do that, let's go ahead and run through the market. Market cap sitting at 324 billion. Today's volume 23.1 billion. Bitcoin dominant sitting at 42.2. Bitcoin still up about 5% for the day, guys, slightly above 8,000. Ethereum up 8% above 500. Ripple, the big one here, up 14, sitting at just below 67 cents. Bitcoin Cash almost up 7, Litecoin up almost 5, EOS up 2, Cardano up almost 5, Lumen's up almost 13, Neo up almost 4, IOTA up 8, Monero up 5, Dash up 8, still below 500. If you guys can get this under 500, I think it's a steal. VeChain almost up 10%, wow, just below 350. I think the one that's got a lot of attention so far has been Verge, up almost 6%. Just slightly below 10 cents. I know they do have something coming up on the 17th, some partnerships maybe I think they were going to announce. Steam's up 7% for the day. We posted a technical analysis on Steemit. We were waiting for that break and close above $2. We did finally get that, so we are pretty deep in profit here on Steem. So make sure you guys are following on Steem, and if you're not already. But you guys came here for some Substratum technical analysis. I love how they did this now. Major exchanges here, guys. Binance, KuCoin, OKEX, HitBTC, and Tidex and Cost looks like are the major exchanges there. Market cap sitting at 26,000 Bitcoin, 212 million USD, 9.6 million USD today's volume. Circulating supply here, guys, 383 million. Total supply, 472 million. But before we look at some Substratum price action, guys, go ahead and look at Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin USD on the daily. TradingView is the broker we're using. We did finally, go ahead and delete these. These are the higher lows I marked on the smaller time frames. We did finally get that break and close, guys, above 7,000. That's what I was waiting for before I just finally decided to take a position on Bitcoin here. Some people are saying the bear market still isn't over. I think it is. It seems like it's a pretty hard push towards the upside. But its first major resistance is right up here at about 11,500. So we're gonna have to see what happens once price does get up there. But as of right now, I'm pretty bullish on Bitcoin. Next time I would actually decide to add is for a break and close above 8,150. Once we get a 4-hour candle that decides to break above 8,150, Bitcoin should continue to move up. Let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum here really quick. So that's actually, so where it says here, that's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for a break and close on the daily above this level, 525 to about 530. Once we do get that break and close on the daily, above that line, Ethereum should be good to go. As you can tell, we definitely, we just actually broke out of this nice little descending wedge we were stuck in. The support we were waiting to break out of was 475. I thought we were gonna actually blow past this once we broke out of 475, but it does look like we had another resistance here at about 525 to 530. So definitely just wait for the daily break and close above this level before you decide to add to your position. And finally, Litecoin, guys. Let me go ahead and zoom in. Let me delete these higher lows as well. What I was waiting for on Litecoin is I was waiting for that break and close on the daily above 120. I do believe we have that already. 120 is down here, so we did get that break and close yesterday above 120, so I finally decided to add to my Litecoin position. Looks like today actually it came down to test it for support, and then it's kind of just been retracing slowly back up. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4-hour really quick, see what the 4-hour is showing us. If you're looking to get into Litecoin, guys, what I would wait for is that break and close above 130 to 132. Once we do finally decide to break above 130 to 132, Litecoin should be good to go. But you guys came here for some Substratum technical analysis. This is Substratum to BTC on the daily. Binance is the broker we're using, guys. TradingView is the platform I'm using to look at these beautiful charts. So this is what I was waiting for on Substratum, guys. I'm a little late on this. I was waiting for the break and close above 5,000 satoshis. However, now we're currently sitting at slightly below 7,000. We did break this nice little consolidation zone we were stuck in, broke out of it, came back down to test it for support there. Nice little wick, and then we have the higher low candle there. And since then, we've kind of just been pushing towards the upside. So when am I looking to get into Substratum? I'm actually waiting for the break and close on the daily above 7,000. Once we actually break above 7,000, I do believe Substratum should be good to go. As you can tell, our momentum down here has definitely shifted towards the upside, and price is definitely starting to show the bulls are back. Where do I see Substratum going in 2018, guys? I think Substratum, and I always forget to market sometimes, I think Substratum can easily come back up to its all-time high here, guys, at about 21 to almost 22,000 satoshis. But I don't expect this to happen until the end of 2018, possibly early 2019. This bear market, I think the bear market's over, but this bear market did last a little bit longer than I expected. So that's why I'm just pushing it more towards the end of the year, where I was leaning more towards, maybe like September, October, but now I'm looking at more November, December, possibly January. So if you're looking to get into Substratum, guys, just wait for that break and close above 7,000 Satoshis on the daily. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to re-steam upvote. Comment down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. If you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribed, you have post notifications turned on, and you give this video a thumbs up. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Thank you for all your support. And I'm trying to message you all back, but since I started working with some guys here, my DMs have just been going like crazy. So give me a minute. I'm sure I'll get to you. Just be patient with me, please. Other than that, guys, thank you for your support. Take it easy. Peace.